What is going on here? Did you get a 3D printer? What makes you say that? So yes, I did get a 3D printer, and it's been a fun past 4 months printing out lots and lots of things. Some of them totally unnecessary, and others, well, totally unnecessary. A lot of decorating, a lot of fun. My son loves printing dragons and other little toys. For the first couple of months, I was printing out other people's designs, everything available on Maker World, and then I started to make my own, and I'm still learning the software, learning how to tweak and make things my own, but it sure has been fun. But anyway, this is just a preview of some of the things that I've made, and yes, I said some. I have made a lot more. And for anybody wondering, I'm using the Bambulab P1S model. I had some 3D printers in the past, and it was almost impossible to use at my skill level, but this one, simple. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the different things we made, and I'm sure we'll make some more.